Are you aware just how much the LG Linear refrigerator saves on energy? Using the energy the LG Linear refrigerator saves, we're about to take on an interesting challenge. Using GPS on an electric car, we're going to plot the points on a map that's visible from way up here and leave a ginormous message. In order for this challenge to work, how many LG Linear refrigerators will be needed? 1 million? 10 million? Neither. 1. All it takes is one LG Linear refrigerator that's sitting in someone's home. The LG Linear refrigerator you have, run it for 10 years, and the energy it saves during that time is a whopping 1,570 kilowatt hours. It's enough energy to travel a quarter way around the world. We're doing this challenge to demonstrate the true value of the LG Linear refrigerator. From saving energy to saving the environment. There's a lot more the energy efficiency of the LG Linear refrigerator can do than you can ever imagine. Do linear. Save the Earth. LG Inverter Linear Compressor.